Good evening, Dawne. I'm gonna try to clarify your doubts. I got here the module number one. I'm gonna show you where to get the help. And first of all, if you're watching your slides, you're gonna see chapter one, which is Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology, and chapter two, which is Chemical Basis of Life. Um, for the reviews, you have to go to other resources, and then here you have every single review for every single chapter. For example, for chapter 1 you have this one, which is a Word document, and you have here your questions. If you're gonna use this review, you can download or mark in other paper in other way your answers. I'm gonna use these reviews to build my lecture exam. These reviews are for the lecture exam. Remember, the lecture exam number one is going to be about Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology and the Chemical Basis of Life. On the other hand, here where you were asking about I bought the lab manual from the link. However, it is watermarked to do not copy and my email, which this gets in the way of labeling. Yes, you can use this way. That's the way they have to avoid reproductions, but it works for us perfectly. You can go to your lab manual. You can identify every single structure. Please remember, you have to solve every single labeling activity, every single quiz, or every single concept map there. And then you convert all of these images in a PDF file, only one PDF file, and you have to go to your course activities, assignments, and then you have to go to that module number one and deliver here your file, which is, it could be a PDF or a PPT or PowerPoint file, but it should be only one file. I hope these clarify your doubts and concerns. If not, let me know through another email, please.